Ever wonder when you should buy your airline ticket? Well, flight prices constantly go up and down, and timing your purchase just right can save you hundreds or thousands of dollars. Thankfully, there's a tool to do that price watching for you. It's called the Google Flights Price Alerts. Google Flights Price Alerts lets you track the cost of a flight and get notified instantly when the price drops or spikes. This is the easiest way to stay ahead of airfare changes and always book that cheapest flight possible. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Google Flights Price Alerts. Let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you're going to want to do is set up a Gmail account if you don't have one. You need a Gmail account to get Google Flights Price Alerts to work. So what you do is you go to this workspace.google.com/Gmail. You can very easily set up a free account. If you don't have one, it takes maybe just a few minutes to set up. Once you are set up and have your Gmail account, let's go to Google Flights, google.com/travel/flights. You need to be logged into your Gmail account. You can do this very easily when you're searching on Google and Google Flights. So now let's get into price tracking. This is really fun. The Thrifty Traveler team uses this all the time and highly recommend it for anyone. Pretty simple process here. Let's start with a very easy one. I'm interested in flights to Costa Rica, LIR, Liberia. So I have Minneapolis to Costa Rica, and I want to make sure I can see whenever this price goes up or down over a certain period of dates. So I'm going to click search here. The calendar will populate, and I'm going to scroll over and I'll just pick, maybe I'll do a 17th to the 24th. And I am interested in just nonstop flights. I'll toggle with these filters in just a little bit here. So if I click nonstop, I can see this Sun Country and this Delta flight here for these particular dates, January 17th to 24th. So rather expensive on this Delta option here, but I do want to point out something. If you are fixed on dates, this is kind of the best way to start your search for cheap flights. So you can see down here, track prices, January 17th to the 24th. If I'm fixed on these dates and I want to know whenever that price fluctuates, I can click on that. You're going to see this prompt down here. You'll get emails whenever the price changes for these dates. If I untick that, I can also do this other feature here for this price alert. I can click any dates. So now I'll get emails whenever the price fluctuates on these routes. It does follow these filters for nonstop here. I'm going to turn that off because I am fixed on these dates. So I will turn that Google Flights price alert back on for this mid-January date here. Pretty cool. You just set it and forget it. And then I want to show you kind of what it looks like when you do get a price alert here. So it'll hit your inbox and you can see I've set this up a while ago, but it's going to prompt you. You'll get something in your inbox that says prices for your tracked flights have changed. So it'll prompt you. It'll say the was price and then this new price right here. Looks like it's about $40 cheaper that it's Google Flights is tracking here. So you can actually directly click on that link, show prices, and you can really dig into exactly what's going on here. If you are interested in different airlines, you can filter for that too. You can also, I'll show you a different one here. You can also track something a little different here. So Minneapolis to Denver, if you scroll down, you can track this and it will track every single airline here. But if I just want to see one particular airline, I can click on that option and I can scroll down and I can track just that, track this price. So this is just going to track this. I'm prompted right here. It'll say, do you want to see all available flights or just this one? I can toggle that on or off. For this case, I'm just going to click done and I'll just keep this tracked price here. A cool option if you are open to different airlines in different times, or if you're fixed on that one certain inbound and outbound pricing. Pretty cool stuff there with Google Flights. I do want to show you one more thing here with price alerts. So you get back to your main page here and you click on this tab up here. So this settings tab here on the left here. If you click on that and you scroll down, you can see this feature right here, tracked flight prices. So if you click on that, it'll show you everything you're tracking. I do have several I'm tracking, but the cool thing about this track price section is it'll show you a graph of where this pricing's been over the past year, almost 255 plus days, and you can see exactly where it's been. So a really cool feature, you can kind of time it out. Oh, maybe it's more expensive at this time of the year, maybe not. And you can see the whole trajectory here of this tracked route that Google has accumulated over the past almost year. Really cool feature there. One thing I would recommend with Google Flights price alerts, the game is not over after you book your flight. Once you book your flight, that's when it gets fun. If you track your price, especially if you book a main cabin fare or above, and that price drops, you can go ahead and rebook and save yourself some money. Many airlines will give you a refund or a credit back if your price drops. So using this Google Flights price alerts to track your fares after you book your flight is one of the best ways you can utilize this tool. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Cheers to cheap flights.